seen Ant-Man. You've seen heroes shrink, smaller than atoms.
But what's the truth? What if I told you the quantum realm is real? 100% real.
But it's not a place you can visit. It's not a parallel universe.
Welcome to a beginner's guide to the weirdest and most important part of reality.
Act 1. The size problem.
Think of it this way. Our normal world, the world of baseballs, cars, and planets.
It's made of billions and billions of individual grains of sand. The quantum realm is reality at the level of those grains of sand. It is physics at the impossibly small scale, the scale of atoms, electrons, photons, and everything that makes us.
Act 2. The first weird rule. Read in.
This is the gateway into the quantum realm, and it's the most famous experiment in physics, the double-slit experiment. It's simple.
You fire tiny marbles at a barrier with 2 slits in it.
Obviously, the marbles go through either slit 1 or slit 2, and they hit the back wall in 2 straight lines. Makes sense.
Now, let's do the same thing, but instead of marbles, we fire quantum particles, like electrons behave.
When we are not watching, something impossible happens.
It exists in a cloud of all possible outcomes. Act 3. The Observer Effect.
So, they placed a tiny detector next to the slits to observe the electron.
The very act of measuring, or observing, the electron forced it to stop being a wave and choose a state.
It was forced to behave like a particle, going through either slit 1 or slit 2.
Let me repeat that. Reality at the quantum level changes based on whether or not it is being observed.
Act 4. The Other Weird Rules.
It can be in two states at once, like a spinning coin. It's not heads or tails, it is both at the same time.
Second, entanglement.
Then you separate them by thousands of light years.
If you measure particle A and find that it is spin up,
You instantly know that particle B is spin down. Instantly. Faster than the speed of light.
They are somehow, mysteriously, invisibly connected.
Act 5. Why do we care?
At this point, you might be thinking, okay, the micro world is weird, but I live in the macro world. How does this affect me?
The answer? It affects everything. Our entire digital revolution is built on our understanding of the quantum realm.
These weird rules aren't just theories, they are technology. The transistor, the tiny little switch inside your computer chip and your phone.
It works because of quantum principles.
The laser light you see, the MRI machine at the hospital, the atomic clocks that make
And the future is even crazier. It's called quantum computing.
A normal computer uses bits, a 0, OR, a 1. A quantum computer uses qubits.
This means a quantum computer can test billions of possibilities simultaneously.
Problems that would take our strongest supercomputers millions of years to solve, like designing new medicines or materials, a quantum computer could solve in a few hours.
The solid, common-sense reality we experience every day may just be a large-scale illusion.